Layering styles can transform simple shapes into visually rich compositions with depth. Today, how to explore shape layering styles. Launch Adobe Photoshop and create a 2048 by 2048 pixel canvas with a soft gray background. Select the rectangle tool and draw a large square using a deep navy color. Duplicate it and scale the copy smaller, changing its color to teal so it appears layered above. Now switch to the ellipse tool and place a circle overlapping both squares using a bright contrasting color like orange, lowering opacity to around 80%. Choose the polygon tool and add a few smaller shapes placed behind the